G'day rubberheads. Out today on a little Aprilia 660 factory with the boys. That's it. Thomas over there pulling his kung fu moves on Tony T. With the blob just waiting in the rear there. Here we are in the middle of nowhere, I guess, on Route 59 in Izu, after having a great night at the Gaijin Riders Shinenkai. Got a bit of time to get accustomed to the bike now, and it's definitely an improvement performance-wise on the base 660 Tuono, in that it's a lot firmer, but being firmer makes it a bit more twitchy, so on roads like this is not ideal, whereas the base 660 just loved this stuff with that soft rear and floaty kind of suspension. It just, you know, bounced through all of this stuff here and was quite entertaining, like riding a Jack Russell. Whereas, I just dropped into neutral. That's the first time. This does have a quick shifter and a blipper, and it's a fine one at that, I tell you. It is smooth. Up, down. As easy as you please. Through the cedar forest here. I guess this is a cedar allergy person's worst nightmare coming through here. Down we go through the S's here. Twisties. Woohoo! Ooh. Nice little blipper, this one. Gives the throttle a little blip. Cherry blossoms are nice. There's the wasabi down there under the nets. Early cherry blossom season through here at the moment. Wasabi! Another cool thing about this that I discovered was the adaptive headlights. So anytime that you go into a dark situation, they automatically come on. You go into a light situation and they switch over to the daytime running lights. Whereas the standard Tuono 660 tended to pogo through corners a little bit if there were any kind of irregularities, like this bridge crossing here. Smooth as over there, but the 660 may have been a little bit whoa, 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 and, you know, moving around. But this one's not. There's Totoro. Totoro for Totoro. There you go. Maybe up there. No, I think. Scoot up here. This is us. So if you find yourself in too high a gear, it definitely runs wide. Let's try second gear. It's a lot punchier. I'm currently in dynamic mode. This bike has 3 modes. And here we are at the Izu skyline. Yeah, see, that's much better. That section of road back there is very bumpy. It's got some big bumps in it. They really unsettled the standard one.
That was fun. What a great bike. Everyone should get to ride one of these. Thanks for riding along.